I'm seeing now with his antenna a Portapac RF2 H2, sorry, with ACK RF, and here you have the Spectrum FM on this side, and I'm not powering if not with his internal battery. I'm putting now a USB from the PC, and you see that the signal is there is a lot of noise and over all the band. The same happened if I put you see that even if the battery is fully charged, it is blinking. And if I use another battery, wait a minute, sorry, okay, now you see that it is even worse. I don't know if inside this power bank there is another switching, but what we can see is that the interference is coming from the antenna, so probably using an external antenna will not affect. So now I am excluding the antenna, and you see that it looks that there is noise. Now there is no more power from the bank because I switch it off, and I connect it now to the USB port. Now it is connected to the USB port. You see the blinking and there is no interference. This means that the interference is coming from the leakage from the integrated circuit that charges the battery to the antenna. Probably some shielding could improve a lot the situation, but now is so, and so if you use this unit, you have to with his own antenna. To avoid interference, you have to use the internal battery.